to all the listeners, all the friends who are tuning in this morning.
Huh?
Hey, likewise to all the listeners that tune in Facebook page VTFM because of the live,
Yeah.
and likewise to the YouTube channel for VTFM.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for tuning in. To all the listeners tuning in from the live stream of VTFM
Yeah.
in the different place,
Yeah.
from overseas.
Dina.
Yeah, likewise to from the sea,
Yeah.
from the mainland.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank you very much for watching and for listening in this wonderful morning.
Beki menendo kada na inakinga no da outs palangi show metendo benen berbagi pamataka. Meron start kina pa pinaka no da job.
Alright.
Ada singi ko. Seu chigo merkoro, seu tebi mateboli na no mundre de gori ada buki na no mu mama da foto tolo.
Gori.
Era kena tai ngarabi tali tabi satu megarabi. Seda ba dems.
Dear sir, well, good morning to everybody joining this morning. The weather is changing now.
Oi.
As you can see, the sunlight is arrived this morning
Yeah.
with a full smile.
Yeah.
And we are thankful enough to all the mummies,
Yeah.
all the daddies, all the children for loving the morning.
Yeah.
For giving us another time,
Yeah.
another day,
Right.
another beautiful breakfast
Yeah.
together as a family.
Yesterday when we met in town,
Yeah.
What's that dorga sa kabi tal ring.
Yeah.
I went home and cut the grass.
Right.
Okay, bakla nasinga ni sa dilamay.
Julung.
Nang ngono start kina na kochito. Saya pakai malumuton rak usa lagi de toso da kuni balimur.
Iya.
O sa bakla sa kana mata di singin laku binang mo sa. Berka sa ko kochu kana kochu sa litay tite biok.
Oh,
Sa bakla na ngugsangan. Sa ta malumucho sa kasi may.
iya.
Sa rato man ni kuwa. Nano ay. Ni ko men kay on tala tite biok.
Ah.
Iyo.
Ko apa kan ninda kata kombucheke.
Iyo.
Santa were bucheke sala ko longan yang kona.
Iyo.
Bidanga ni sele kana mo nambutu.
Hah?
Santa were ka membimbinga me sama bina kana lutu nambuken ni yang kona.
Iya, dina sa.
Kana boy angay murian ni spray.
Hey,
Dinasar, iya.
Thomas kanilang italtawa.
Iya.
Well, good morning. Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning.
Warna wiki menendo kada kita live chico. We are live on our Facebook page VTFM. Please like it, follow us on our live stream live page and on the Outs Palangi show and namataka Nikua.
Iya, lego itu binian sasani.
Iya.
Isan, domengunuti bunti babi.
Wele.
Wow, oh siguro nga tamanto Nikua.
Bunti babi.
Iyo, may babi.
Iyo, ndo ba binabunti?
Babi, ya.
Iyo.
Uy.
Isa.
Ndongo na kila bina kasara na babi ni bundi.
Odigori.
Okarua emo sindiani.
Oh.
Iyo. Sema taka mai ngoma wemba umbula bina kakarua ni umbula bina ko kimuni.
Iya.
Iyo kam.
No kam danga kali na bunti.
Ah?
Kali na bunti.
Wara.
Kundo bata kitura
Iya.
ni tangori.
Mel na tale umbula
Iya.
bina ka. Bani ni bina karu. Iyo ane bet sela tabale.
Andra.
Mbula bina ka ngoma isanga to kana bidana na siyong bungal.
Nambelechi?
Nambelechi.
Bela bra.
Ela on sanga indina kina dia sudulu be wale baina le sulu be wale le. Mama le utabale selala. Sa mo tamen gori may manyaba na mataka bina kanikua.
Hey, somebody shooting from Gisborne.
Yeah.
Gisborne is ready. Tulian and River.
Andro binaka
Good
to our
morning.
friends.
Yeah, thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning.
Iyo.
Yeah.
Likewise to Mbuna Ngitha.
Iyo.
And a very well good morning to Melanie Adalebu and the family.
Iyo.
Tuning in from Brisbane.
Really?
And likewise to Miriam Lokito Rossi.
Yeah.
Lokiti Rossi.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for tuning in this wonderful morning.
Yes, to all the police officers who are working this morning. Yesterday we met some police officers.
Ha.
One of them came all the way from Rotuma.
Ah?
No,
Yes,
but,
one from Rotuma, one
Yeah.
from coming from all the way from Kandabu.
Yeah.
One is our Tobata from Lau.
Yeah.
Joining this morning. This is a brother of our fellow friend Peter Tawake.
Yeah, Peter Tawake.
Okay.
Yeah, they
All
coming
right.
together. They thank you very much for the every day, for the every morning.
Yeah.
Coming together as one, as we keep on laughing.
Yeah.
Laughing is a medicine of life.
Yeah.
It's like another mo
Na conspiracy.
Iya, baka may reliever too, eh?
Yeah.
It's like a tiredness reliever to our body, to our hemoglobin and our white blood cell fighting for them in front line. Mama Willie is joining
Yeah.
this morning. Good morning to you and the family, especially to Melanie Grace from the police barrack in Lautoka, to
Yeah.
Mr. and Mrs. Taria.
And Rebecca.
Thank you very much this morning.
Eron ni Antoniseka, good morning. Tori Katinai, thank you very much for tuning in from Cook Island.
And Rebecca.
And inside the LM69.
Yeah.
Wais Tony Balo, thank you so much for tuning in.
Yeah.
And Kelly Taco, thank you very much for tuning in 28 Kavika Place, Maro.
Yeah.
In this wonderful morning.
Okay, two
The
short
stress.
story.
Yeah,
Stress reliever.
Stress.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we have two short stories this morning.
Okay.
One is the Leka Leka one, Kau cangke pakamatianan nonto kampalawit.
Yeah.
And talon ni Dems. Dems, kere-kere. When someone cries,
Yeah.
sangela ko may nawin ni mata. Please tell us, where does that tears come from? Yeah,
Tears
yeah,
is like a wood. Nabosok ko ya.
yeah.
Yeah.
It only can coming if your soul is spiritual is being polluted. Baka emosinelo mo. Iyo, ke emosinelo mo is like a inner feeling of life.
Right.
Ke emosinelo mo iloma, then the tears can come.
So that means there's a stream of feeling inside the body.
Morida nga ngon kere bandindina, ke baka ito nangon emoku,
Yeah.
kaya loko kuwa siya litang.
Right.
If the humbleness of soul is within them,
Yeah,
feeling ya,
yeah.
then the tears can arrive.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Ayaw sarang na
you
pumatang
can't-
ko.
you-
So deep.
So deeper. Because
Yeah.
when there is a spiritual,
Spirit.
the spirit inside is strong, kukuha,
Yeah.
you can see the tears coming.
Tatawa spirit.
Spirit man, if you see someone
Yeah.
going far or grieving,
Yeah,
if the soul is hurting,
yeah.
you can see in the eyes.
Right.
The
Okay, okay.
tears
Tell us
coming.
the mgorin. Na keni wale sa nayalo. Wata kay na wai ko juga ko na wai mata.
Yeah.
Tapa produce take ba?
Okay, produce
Yeah.
from hormone.
Okay.
Yeah. There are different type of hormone in our body.
Yeah.
We got a frightened hormone, the adrenaline hormone. Kaya ndo didi may nangona ni rere.
Yeah.
If you see someone in fears,
Yeah.
merere, you can see him crying.
Right.
Undecided no bulan ni tangi. Biya tangi bukan alo na
Right. Shock.
yeah, shock.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He will. And another one,
Yeah.
adrenaline hormone. Adrenaline hormone is where tears, close to the tears of life
Yeah.
in our body.
Right.
Yeah. There is a so tali tu korang kong tabuli tamen bul makawe.
Yeah.
Nangon di wasu.
Yeah.
If a cattle, if a cow is afraid, he will not release the good milk.
Oi.
Oh!
Yeah, she will not receive vitamin na sudu.
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah, release because that's a adrenaline hormone
Oi.
that withdraw
Milk.
the milk from them.
Oi.
That's like us. Kaya pa kay korere,
Yeah.
nendre mo tangi. If your body texture is
Soft.
soft,
Yeah.
you
Love.
see love,
Yeah.
tears, humble,
Yeah.
coming together as one.
Wah, na, totok.
Okay.
Boy, ayaw sir nga ya.
So,
Kembali.
why is that when you angry
Yeah.
or you happy, why is the tears come out?
Kung ano kung
There's two type of tears
Yeah,
coming.
go. Two types.
One, kaya ba kayo daw nga tunabosang go? Natapos ko na sa malang ya?
Hindi ba? Meta ba?
Tears of joy.
Yeah.
Tears of joy.
Yeah.
Tears of joy.
Yeah.
Iko maraw, iko tang.
Yeah. Tears on my pillow.
Tears of my pillow na sere.
Yeah.
Iyo. And there is, if you are tears of joy,
Iyo.
there's coming the tears from your eyes.
Right.
If the tears of
Sorrow,
grieving,
pain,
pain,
grief.
grief,
Iyo.
they will coming on your eyes.
Yeah.
If you tears of the dhunru baka mo rarawa,
Yeah.
iko el kukawa,
Yeah.
you'll never see the tears coming in your eyes.
Frowning in your face will tears on the
Yeah.
on your eyes.
Yeah.
Okay. Don't the tears of love.
Tears of love is
Please explain.
tears of love is a tears of bond.
Yeah.
You only can attach to each other if there is tears of love.
Doon pula pinakamin na mara.
Yeah.
Sanima.
Love has 4 letters.
Yeah.
Four legs.
Love.
Oi, right.
Yeah. That's why you see the L, alphabet L, the big alphabet.
Yeah.
The L, 1 point on top,
Yeah.
1 point on the left. You
North
love-
and east.
Huh?
North and east.
North and east.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, love up,
Yeah.
loma na nakalu.
Yeah.
Love on the right, loma na nawekam.
Right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you love these two,
Yeah.
loma na nakalu,
Yeah.
loma na nawekam.
Right.
You can't see any roughness of life in your body.
Right, Dina.
Sunday.
Wanna know,
So
wanna
that's the tear, alarms tear.
Yeah.
Yeah, the love is this.
And what about when you laugh?
Huh?
Laugh tears.
Laughter.
Laughter.
Iya.
Before tears come into your eyes,
Iya.
your stomach will face a consequence. Enak mo sinakitemu.
Oi.
Iyo,
Oh, iya,
kaya
side
nito.
effects, ah.
Wait, mo sinakitemu ko limun nung dendre.
Iya.
That's because you laugh, you never breathe. Balatangan ni kondre kinay ko na sa kilim. Iyo, nangones sa makin namun dendre ko na sa kilim. That's why our stomach musi.
Iya.
Our stomach pain. Boleh bila ka lewe be ya tamay Jerry.
Iya.
To everybody join this morning.
This one saying, malo antai-antai.
Yeah.
Dito ka
What
describe
about-
this morning.
Yeah.
The tears gone dry.
Tears gone dry.
That's
That's mean.
What's the reason?
The reason being
Yeah.
is lack of ORS.
So you
Hey, kemudian dole uno ORS. Sana na niya ngom. Iya.
Okay. Out of all the girls, okay, to sa localist namin ko, but na tears,
Alimat
Tears of
na
joy,
kinaya.
tears of laughter,
Ah.
tears of sorrow, tears of dapat
Iya.
angriness, angry feeling, Okay. Where ka na ngonelewa?
Iya, may.
Irna ngonelewa ni Bey, era ngonelewa. Daw tangi.
Tangi.
Iya.
Tangi ni dapa, baka me tangi ni dapa.
Tangi ni pakananan.
Tango.
Kanta mo?
Because of the empty feeling,
Iya.
but the distance between them,
Aha.
Nung da pa nanon tunga pa nanon salit la kono tonaw na ano ni matana.
All the 14.
Okay. Before na tears but kina tonaw na ni mata terms is two different things come from the same
They are
feeling.
from the same botanical family. They are from the same botanical family.
Wana
Yeah.
now.
Because lata ba talataro?
The wir nangoneleo.
Iya.
Ir non tangoneleo.
Alright.
Okay, to sa turo pang para rambay.
Okay.
Ir non tangoneleo ni Viti.
Ah,
Bunga beira ndaw lako na wani matanra.
isa.
Iyo.
Nanguna ta ba? Endo pakaran daw fikta kina ni lako na wani matanra. Baka mera mosi.
The only time a fake tears arrive
Yeah.
is when you marry.
Anyone?
When you marry. Ruangan mo no kasi nga ni o marry. Oy ko tombo.
So wait, they'll force it to come out. They will force the tears to come out.
Yeah,
When
they
they
will
marry,
force.
they want
Yeah.
something.
Erto na erro pos dati kinto sir nga erro na ni picture borong suno matag ni ko.
Binabale usara. Ruangan mo na rekin na tears. Boleh bila ka bro asa ko tanong bat kay Tinay Ju. This morning to Tamay Saki and Simex.
Yeah.
Good morning. Ruangan mo na rekin na. There's
Yeah.
only two.
Iya.
Laurekin na ni
Iya.
Laurekin ko na matanggalin ko na tangi,
Iya.
na false tangi.
Iya.
Doon nga nangon ni Mari.
Fake tangi.
Na fake tangi.
Iya, fake teardrops.
Iya, fake teardrops.
Iya.
Doon nga nangon ni Mari.
Iya.
Pati ka nangon tombok yun. Binabalaw to everybody joining this morning. Thank you very much to Binod Patel.
Iya.
And also
Iya.
to Punches.
Dono pa benak. Ano ba ka Kamanil ni Boy? Ano ba ka Crystal?
Iya.
Why Silva Crystal?
What's Blue Crystal?
Iya, dahil why Silva Gori.
That's like Tux Neps.
Iya.
Tux nga Neps, Tuxman nga Neps. Sino this morning.
Ano ba ka Tessa? So,
He always tears in the eyes.
Oy.
Isa.
Always tears. Because the family back there in Australia.
Oy, okay.
And he is in Fiji, is
Just
every
like
time-
just like in the movies.
just like in the movie, Cindy Rose sing.
Iya.
Iya. Amina sila tua.
Iya.
Bulo si ito totoo na pinrepa ini bulan dia warong ci atu ya ibaron tali maimba.
Iya.
Sa mo sa tuwa eti.
Barandoli.
Eti atu na anin rendre. Sa mo sa kita manin rendre.
Iya.
Iyo. Ongo turang tau atu.
Iya.
Isa daw ndan resibo, isa daw mo sa kitena.
Iya.
Menga into tikal taki bango.
Tigil taki min teke.
Well, at tinay Gabi. Andra. Diyan na timbi wa ito.
Iya.
Malo
Location.
Location singa toka.
Oy, situ kami sa katoka.
Umode.
Oh, okay. Baka sa malagat ko may namo de sa katoka.
Ubal nang gereng-gereng tambu are amando umbu imbul na tinay turusi kita may turusi.
Iya.
Thank you very much. Iya. Stuxman, Luciano Marola Lama, Iwan Iwan Kalebu.
Iya.
Oh, umbul na katola binandrew. Binabali usara.
Sabi kami na kada na bito kan di buli mayan na mata ni kuha.
airport tears.
Is airport tears.
Iya.
Tessa handa bina pono ni sia tu yani ana signi kuah rosi musi do yanda kede na turangan tu mari. So aporta cuma yo rosi musi ya. Tessa bina boleh besar na bitokani. Tessa Junior
Yes.
ili
Ay,
mo
kita sa ba?
tamama.
Ano ni bila ka na mo karabe ka mo ni matakan ni kuha.
Iya.
Like heart ngai siya ta kanon ta live. Na matakan din tayo. Neto kani.
Yo kuru